Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to update the Play Store or Google Play Store in a simple way, only from our Play Store settings. But before broadcasting in the explanation, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and click like and share the video. Thank you very much to everyone who subscribed to the channel, and I ask God to get everything He wishes for. Now let's explain. The first step we do is go to the Play Store. After that, we click on our profile icon, then click on Settings. After that we click on About, then click on Update Play Store. Here, if there are days when a new version is available, it will appear to us, and the Play Store will be updated successfully only through this method. I hope you liked the video. I hope you have benefited. For any suggestions, any tips, any problems, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video.